Hi girls, I just wanted to get on and say hello. I've missed everybody. Been kind of in a funk, but I got the We Are Good Together kit and I wanted to share it with you in case you were thinking about getting it. Anybody still on the fence? This is the kit. I haven't opened it yet. I just been looking at it. So this is the stamp set. Let's see. You are some kind of wonderful, love you, miss you. Oh, there's some good lines, good journaling lines. A nice border, some nice circles, I like those. A burst for around the circles. Oh, swirl, I like that. I like to see things that I don't have yet, right? So, oh, I'm going to see if I can get on and see if I have any comments, right? Still nothing. Oh, there I am. I found it. Okay, girls. We are good. Alright. Just turn my volume off so I'm not talking to myself. No. Okay. Great. Okay, so this is a stamp set, like I was saying. Great circle elements. I like that border. I don't have anything like that. So it's unique, but you know, you can use other stamp sets you might already have. Okay, lots of your photo placeholders, envelopes, and cards. So we'll be making envelopes and cards. You get a whole package of the wooden hearts. I can see us coloring those. The wood, any of the wood elements, don't be afraid to use your inks or markers or anything to color them. It looks really good. Shimmer brushes too look really, really good. Okay, this is the sticker sheet. The Story of Us, a really nice heart border. Leaves, a globe. All the things. So it looks like it's going to be all about you, all about yourself. Hello, my name is. So, you know, we never scrapbook ourselves enough. So it's really important to do that. Okay, we get a package of mix-ins. And this is a really nice one. I love how they do the papers that are easy to go with other papers, like this really nice brown. Love this checker, this buffalo plaid in the brown, and this toffee leaf. And this is Hope, Beauty, Amazing Always, Awesome Memories. So that's really, really nice. And it's not like bold in your face. Not bold in your face like Kapow. It's really subtle. I've already used this one. It's X's and dots and hearts. Memories, family, love. Oh, and a nice checker. Yeah, I've used these in some of my other projects. Love this really nice peach color that has the lines. It's a really nice background instead of just using a plain one. And this cross with the avocado and then the leaf. And this matches this border. You can see that one. And then a nice light, I guess this would be canary. Square diamonds and then the polka dot. And then you're going to get your cardstock. This should be your avocado, 2 toffee, a peach, and 5 white daisy. So that's what comes in the kit. And it's only available to VIPs. And what they're going to do is send out the instructions on maybe February 24th. I'm not sure if it'll be the 24th or the 23rd. They'll send out instructions on the layouts that we'll be making and the cards that we'll be making, so you can pre-cut and get ready to do it live with them when they do it. Or if you want to come over, I'm going to have a get-together here with everything on the screen so we can put it together. So anyone that comes over will have it pre-cut, get everything cut before you come over so we can relax while we're putting it together and not feel so rushed. But if you don't have any of the supplies that I just listed on the Facebook page, you can use mine. I'll make sure that I have them out and ready to go. Okay? So hopefully I'll be seeing some more of you guys online. I've got a microphone ordered so I can do better lives and you can hear me. That's been a kind of a culprit of my videos, but we'll see how it goes. So I hope everybody's surviving, and go Buffalo Bills if you're a Bills fan, right? Okay, talk to you later.